So in the context of thinking about what insurance should do differently, a key thing that we think about is that the 100-year-old model is too temporaneous. In other words, it's a month or it's a year. That's the one side. And the other side, we believe, is what is the value proposition. And the third part is what is the impact on the environment. So Constantia explicitly says that our purpose as a company, our why statement, is to add value and to improve the environment in our environment. So what insurers then should do differently to improve value adds, you say, well, how is it that the insurance product service is a better value to your client? And in that context, it doesn't only provide value when there's a claim. Insurers have enormous resources. They have procurement networks, they know about things, they know about data, they know about banks and things like that. But why can't clients have the same kind of access? So there's all sorts of value you can create in that space, and then you're continuously engaging with your client base, sharing that value with them. And then if you take that a step further and saying, well, how do we improve our environment? Well, it's all well and good saying, we know how to predict when a car is going to crash, but we don't want people to be hurt. So improving environment is about people keeping cars on the road. So we've trademarked two statements. One is keeping small business in business, which is where we do a different kind of financial support. The other one is keeping your car on the road. Or targeted to ladies, keeping her car on the road. And it's very important to us that we keep the ladies safe or help them from a puncture or whatever the issue may be. So in that context about moving the proposition from waiting for a claim to always being present with you, improving the environment. The environment could be fetching your kids at school. The environment could be the way you run your business. And then the protection environment. So how do you protect a business? How do you protect your home? How do you avoid geysers leaking into houses? How do you obviously keep cars safe on the road? All of those things are environmental improvements, not just saying, can we pay the claim cheaper and faster? So that's a key theme for me. And we've got significant ideas down that line about changing the paradigm. So I'll come back to the very first point. What should insurers do differently? I think there's enormous scope in completely reconsidering the time horizon. Watch the space. It's been an absolute pleasure being at the African Insurance Exchange 2019. It's been extremely informative. I found the balance and the reality of tech, environmental factors, industry factors, the range of new presenters and so forth, very valuable. I found it very stimulating. I'm sitting there listening, writing notes and thinking about things that we can do. It's to celebrate the progress that the industry's made in terms of being able to help clients quickly. It's excellent to see the best practice being displayed. I think it's been quite focused on retail, in other words, individual clients, not that much on corporate, and we'll see how that comes about. And when we discussed in another forum, how has the exchange been embedded? It's been very, very good. How do we grow our industry, I think, is another topic we can think about. But in the context of value and our environment here, one, the content in the environment has been great. Our own coffee lounge that we've sponsored and developed here, we think has been a hit. It's been absolutely fantastic seeing so many brokers and even our competitors having meetings in the Constantia lounge, for which we won't send them the bill, but we will just borrow their clients from time to time.